वही लक्षण जिसके बारे में हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे थे, आसक्ति शांति के बारे में हम लोग श्रवण किया। विक्रोध के विषय कुछ होने पर भी चित्त चलित नहीं होते हैं, समाधान आ जाता है।
So we have heard about the internal and external symptoms. So we have heard about the 3 internal symptoms and the 9 external symptoms. So Manashunyata.
आश्रम आदि में किसी प्रकार अभिमान नहीं रहता, निरभिमान। आशा बंधु और उनके हृदय में एक ही आशा रहते हैं।
They have just only one is Asha Bandhu. They have just only one desire, that how we can get Bhagavad Kripa, and especially accept the Krishna Kripa, how we can attain the Radha Kripa. So always engage our mind for that. We always efforts for that. So Samadkunta, instant longing to attain the once desired object, is called Samadkunta. So without that, you cannot live. So I explained you the example of Vrittasur. There is a infant words example, the calves and cow example, and the gopis. Mano Navina Daksha. So we have Naam Gane Sadashuni. So constantly chant the name of Hari with the faith that Shri Nam Bhajan is the topmost form of bhajan. It's called Naam Gane Sadarachi. So we have already heard about all these symptoms. This Naam Gane Sadarachi.
भगवान की विलास स्थली में वृंदावन नवद्वीप आदि भगवत धाम में वास करने की
So Tadvat Stali Priti means the desire to reside in Shri Dham Vrindavan, Shri Navdeep or other abodes of Bhagwan is called Tadvasti Sthal Priti. Living in the Dham is only beneficial when one has the association of pure devotees. ये ले लीजिए, करताल ले लीजिए, करताल को। So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, wherever Mahaprabhu, he put it his dust feet of the dust. So who are deciding the Dhamvasi, who are living all in the Dhams before everybody, we are doing the pranam before them.
और कृपा भिक्षा
and we are asking for the alms so that we will have mercy of them. That's why it is saying Dhamvasi. We are going before the Dhamvasi and asking for their mercy.
शरीर के द्वारा यदि धर्मवास संभव
If it is not possible by the body, the Dhamvas, then by your mind you should always stay in the Dham and always engage with get the association of pure devotees and always hear Bhagavatam, Harikatha. So the person who are designing to Bhog or Moksha and the Karmi or Jnani peoples, if you get any kind of symptoms on these peoples, what we should think? Because there are many people staying in the Dham, but who would like to get the sense enjoyments, the material enjoyments, so they are desiring like that.
ऐसे लोगों के हृदय में जो भाव आदि उत्पन्न होता है उसे कहा जाता है प्रतिबिंब रक्ताभास.
Pratibimb Raktavas. So those people who are having who wants to enjoy the material senses, material things, so whatever they are getting the bhav, this is called.
हम आदि में तरह होते किंतु भगवान के निकट क्या मानते?
They don't ask anything before the devotees, but they ask before the Bhagwan. They all ask for the material things, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. That's why whatever they are, the bhav they are having in their heart, this is called Raktavas. So we should make a distance from these kinds of peoples.
यदि अज्ञ व्यक्ति में भक्त के संग से भाव के चिन्ह दिखाई दे तो उसके छाया रूप अक्षरभाव भी कहा.
If you see the little bit these kinds of symptoms, there are two kinds of bhava. First is there are two kinds of bhakti abhas, like pratibimba and raktavas. Pratibimb raktavas, chaya bhaktavas. Pratibimba bhaktavas and chaya bhaktavas. There are two symptoms of bhakti.
नित्यं विलृतं गीतं रोषणं तनुमोदनं ओंकारो जिभ्रं श्वासभूमा लोकनिरपेक्षता लालाश्रयो धृतास्तश्च घूर्णा एकादयोपि च नित्यं गीतम रोषणम तनुमोदनम. यानी अंतःकरण को आपको प्रकट करने वाली बाहरी विकार की अनुभव करते.
So the external transformation that reveals the heart emotions, bhava, are called anubhavs. They are dancing, rolling on the ground, singing, loud crying, without withing of the body, roaring, yawning, breathing heavily, neglecting others, drooling, loud laughter, staggering about, and hiccups. These all are the symptoms of anubhav. In this context, Gurudev is describing with the development of the sadhak transcendental emotions.
साधक लोक अपेक्षा त्याग कर भक्त भाव के भगवान के करते हैं। भक्त की इन क्रिया को बहिर्मुख जन नहीं समझ पाए।
So the external people cannot understand this kinds of bhava of bhakta, devotees.
आप भाव प्राकृत जीवों की संपूर्ण रूप से प्रकट होते हैं। वो कभी-कभी
So
भक्त व्यक्ति
the behavior of the devotees who can taste bhav is completely different from the mundane persons.
इस क्रियाकलाप का अनुकरण करते हैं। क्योंकि जिसके हृदय में
Because
भाव उत्पन्न हो
in somebody's heart, this all bhav has manifested.
वही क्रिया आदि दिखाई पड़ता है।
So these external symptoms we can see.
जिसका हम लोग समझ जाते हैं, कभी नृत्य करते हैं,
As we heard about that, sometimes they are dancing, sometimes they are rolling on the ground,
कभी जोर-जोर से चिल्ला-चिल्ला करके
sometimes loudly singing.
प्रभु की गान आदि
They are doing the kirtan of Bhagwan.
वर्णन करते हैं।
They are describing the Bhagavad
प्रभु
Katha.
का मरण कभी हुंकार जम्भाई देते,
Sometimes they are yawning.
लोग अपेक्षा नहीं करते। कभी वहां से जैसे लाल टपकता है,
Sometimes the lar.
और कभी उनके सिर में चक्कर भी आता
Sometimes they are getting fainted,
है, चक्कर आना और ये हिचकी,
hiccups. Sometimes hiccups.
ये समस्त जो है
These all
सब आदि दिखाई पड़ता है।
or anubhav is seems to that person.
कभी-कभी
But sometimes
छल कपट व्यक्ति ऐसे ऊपर से दिखा करके
sometimes the cheater person shows this thing externally
अथवा लाभ या प्रतिष्ठा आदि प्राप्त करने के लिए
and for getting the prestige, and they are so much eager for that, just like
हरिदास ठाकुर
Haridas Thakur.
सत्व की नित्य देखकर कृष्ण की
Seeing
लीला
the
का स्मरण
so once what happened, once Haridas once while watching a snake dance, Namacharya Srila Haridas Thakur remembered Shri Krishna's pastimes of subverting Kaliya Nag.
और सांप और उठा करके
So
बकरा एक खेल दिखाते हैं, सर्प खेल का सांप तो सांपों की खेल करते हैं, आज बंसी बजाते हैं और सांप डिब्बा से बाहर आकर के ऐसे ऐसे पहुंचते हैं।
So the snakes came out from this his pot, and he was doing holding that time.
और हरिदास ठाकुर
And Haridas Thakur remembering seeing that scenario, so he was remembering the Kaliya past Daman Leela.
कालिया दमन की लीला स्मरण करके
He was remembering the Kaliya Daman Leela in Vrindavan.
स्मरण करके हरिदास ठाकुर
And when he was remembering, and he was started dancing. So he was so much enjoying that time, and he started dancing. And seeing that kinds of Nitya Bhav of Haridas Thakur, so people are coming to them and taking the dust of his feet. There was a cheater Brahman was there also available, who said that who is Haridas Thakur? He is just in a Yaman Kul. So everybody is taking the dust feet of his. So I am in the Brahman Kul, and no one is taking my dust feet of the dust. So that's why he was so much angry. So he was thinking that what to do now. So that Brahman, he started dancing. So he started dancing by cheating propensity. He went to the Sapira. So everybody know the snake charmer. So everybody was thinking that he is just fake personality. He is just pretending to be dance. So that Brahman, so he was pretending. He got fainted and fall down on the ground. So he was cheater, and that's why he got fall on the ground. And what? So the snake charmer they understood that he is not actually moved. He is not got fainted. He is just pretending to the people that I got fainted. I am in bhav. What a snake charmer did? He put a stick and started beating him, and he ran away. That Brahman ran away from there.
तो इसी प्रकार की कार्य
So in this way it's saying
है। कुछ लोग
some people,
इस प्रकार है, सब कपट आदि करके शुद्ध भक्त के जो है वो अनुकरण करते हैं।
yes, they are just by the cheating propensity they are copying the pure devotees. In the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu described Ashtasattvic bhavs as follows. Stamba means Sweda means the sweating. Yeah, standing of the hairs on end. Survey the faltering of the voice. Trembling means kampa. Loss of color. Vavarnya. These all are the Ashtasasvik vikas you can see. Okay. Istamba Sweda. So according to the Srila Gurudev, the Bhajan Rasiprati is describing here. In the pure consciousness of the living entity, when the action of the heart becomes stimulated, it precipitates further actions. At that time, a natural wonderfulness arises, which makes the heart blossoms in various ways. This externally manifests as anubhavas that manifest as external actions. These transformations, such as changing and so forth, are of many varieties. Why are you not getting? You are listening now?
जब चित्त साक्षात रूप में विभाजित होता है तब उसी चित्त के सत्य कहते हैं। सत्य किसको कहते हैं?
What is sattva? What is sattva? The word sattva refers to the heart that is directly stimulated by the transcendental sentiments. So satya means which is related to Krishna Vishaya, the subject which is related to Krishna. So by the rati that the heart is attracted, that is called sattva. This is the definition of sattva. The subject must be Krishna. Except in Krishna there is no other subject we cannot describe. So Krishna Vishaya Rati. Rati means your heart is too much attracted towards Krishna. Affected. Your heart is attracted or affected. So that's why it's when thinking about the subject of Krishna only, your heart is affected, so that is called sattva bhava. At the time, so there is spontaneous nature comes to him, which is अर्थात नित्यादि अनेक प्रकार की होते हैं। चित्त में विभाग के वो सब जो अनुभव उदित होते हैं योगी उद्भास्कर के रूप में शरीर में व्यक्त होते हैं। जो वही क्रिया आदि है। So the external symptoms is called udbhav.
जब
Then,
चित्त
when heart
साक्षात रूप में विभाजित होता है,
practically divided in,
तब उसी चित्त के सत्व कहा जाता
this is called the sattva.
है। इस सत्व से जो
By this sattva,
भाव उत्पन्न होते हैं,
there are many kinds of bhav shunya comes up. That's called Shakti bhav.
स्तंभ आदि
What?
सात्विक विकारों के लक्षण कहा जाता है।
These all are the symptoms of sattvic vikar. Your whole body will be stunned. Not you want moving.
जब साधक का चित्त
When the savat heart
सदात्म प्राप्त करके अनेक प्राण के अपने को प्राण के निकट समर्पण करता है, तो प्राण विकासित होकर शरीर में प्रचुर शोक उत्पन्न करते हैं। उसी समय स्तंभ आदि विकार उदित होते हैं। नित्य आदि में सत्य से उत्पन्न भाव साक्षात
when the pran comes into the contact of the body of the living entity, when the pran comes in the contact to the earth element,
स्तंभ आदि में बुद्धि की अपेक्षा नगर
internals stambha is observed. When it takes shelter of water, tears manifest. When it contacts fire,
अनुभव और
anubhav है
कुछ भाव जो है
अनुभव. Sometimes anubhav and sattva seems very similar, but seems very similar. It is still very different. They are different. I am on. No.
कुछ जो होता है कुछ बुद्धि प्रक्रिया होता है, कुछ विषय है बुद्धि प्रक्रिया होता है, जैसे नित्य गीत आदि
Some,
बुद्धि पूर्वक
हरि भगवान क्या बोलूं. निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. External symptoms को बताए थे उसके भाव उसके.
बुद्धि पूर्वक होता है, जैसे नित्य गीत आदि
Some bhavs are buddhipur by the wisdom we do, like bhav, nritya, some sternness, romancha.
ये सब क्या है?
These all are.
बुद्धि पूर्वक
This you cannot, this cannot be performed by the wisdom.
भाव का प्रेम बुद्धि होने पर
So whenever the Bhagavad Bhav and prem manifest in the heart, so spontaneously it happens. It seems.
स्तंभ आदि से बुद्धि की अपेक्षा न
So istam is a state which once becomes insert, and it arises from jubilation, fear, astonation.
माना जाता है।
पता नहीं क्या प्रथा.
प्राण किसी की अवस्था के दूसरे चार भूतों की भूमि, जल,
अरे
तेज और आकाश इसके साथ पंचम भूत के रूप में अवस्थित करता है। तो कभी सप्रधान होकर अर्थात वायु प्रधान होकर जीव के शरीर में विचरण करता है।
गुरुदेव कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा मेरे को.
जिस समय
Gurudev, I am not able to understand what are you saying.
टेक्निकल वर्ड व्यवहार करते
So now there are some using technical words here.
हैं। इस वक्त से सात्विक विकार
So the all kinds of ashtasattva vikars.
कुछ संयोग रहता है।
So there is a little bit connection with the pran. Wherever
जो होता है
they connected with the prans, so they are doing the different kriyas there, actions are there. No, I'm not understand.
जिसमें कहते हैं ये वायु प्रधान होकर शरीर में विचरण करता है। कभी-कभी सप्रधान होकर अर्थात वायु प्रधान होकर जिसके शरीर में विचरण करता है।
So these sattvic bhavas manifest in 5 stages. When at the time of when pran,
भूमिस्थ होता है।
bhumist,
हमारे शरीर में क्या-क्या है? पंचतत्व है।
we have with this body is manifested with 5 tasks: mitti, jal, agni, vayu, earth. Yani earth, fire, sky, water, and so on.
वो उसी प्रकार सात्विक भाव ही उस प्रकार दिखाई देता है।
कैसे दिखाई पड़ता है?
जिसमें जब प्राण
When pran takes the element of earth,
स्तंभ हो जाता है।
so that time he becomes intense. Interness बोलते हैं उसको. So his body cannot move that time.
जल के आश्रय होने पर क्या
When
होता है? वो सिर्फ आंखों से आंसू आते हैं।
So at that time the tears fall down, tears coming out from the eyes. That time
प्राण जब
when the pran,
शरीर के जल के आश्रय करते हैं,
when they take the shelter of the water of the eyes,
तेज के आश्रय करने पर वैवर्ण हो जाता है।
So-
शरीर के दूसरी रंग बदल जाता है।
okay,
अथवा शरीर से जो है से पसीना
so
सुमस्तकरेशन स्वेट जब वह आकाश स्थित होते हैं,
read it. Everything will be here.
प्राण जब शरीर से जो आकाश जो है, जब आकाश
Sky, space. When the space,
स्पेस के जब वो आश्रय करते हैं,
when they get the
तब क्या होता है?
connection with the space, so at that time they got fainted. In the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu, very nicely described there. Sorry, listeners, I am not getting little bit something.
तथा जब वह
When
सप्रधान अर्थात वायु के आश्रित होता है, तब मंद मध्य तीव्र भेद से रोमांच कंप और उत्साह भेद से प्रकाश होते हैं। ये सब तो दिखा रहे हैं।
मैं तो कुछ भी समझ
ये
नहीं आया.
प्राण शरीर के कौन-कौन इंग्रेडिएंट्स पर जब आश्रय लेते हैं,
When the pran,
तब शरीर में ये सब तो विकार आदि दिखाई पड़ता है।
मतलब प्राण गुरुदेव जैसे क्या, जैसे प्राण बॉडी हमारी जो प्राण होते हैं वो.
प्राण जो है,
हाँ.
लाइफ
So the pran we have, when it get the connect, so there we have the 5 elements in our body. So when that, so whenever that elements take the shelter of or connected with that elements, so there are many kinds of different kriyas happen. So jadta, when you are completely stunned, no traveling, no traveling.
और इससे क्या होता है, उनको इससे होता है हर्ष, हर्ष में
Enjoy,
जयफुल
joyfulness.
है, हर्ष।
After that, joyfulness. Very nice.
प्रियजन के दर्शन
Just like beloved and
में
beloved.
क्या होता है, आनंद होता है।
When they will meet each other, so they get so much joyfulness, enjoyment in their hearts. In the same way,
प्रियजन के दर्शन करके क्या होता है, हर्ष, आनंद होता है।
so after taking darshan of the Priyatham, so much enjoyment in the heart. Where when we got fears,
जब अचानक
when suddenly we saw something which is suddenly fearful things we saw, so we are feel so much afraid, fearness.
कोई एक वस्तु को आप देखा,
Suddenly you saw a thing,
देख करके हृदय में भय उत्पन्न
so you are so much got fear in your heart, like the krodh.
होता है।
When you get krodh, the anger,
अपने इच्छा के विरुद्ध कोई वस्तु हो,
so something is happening without your, according something which is happening not according to your desires, so against your desires, so that is called, then you got so much angry.
और इसके कारण से शरीर की आर्द्रता वो पसीने से सेद उत्पन्न होता है। सेद माने
Sweating,
perspiration
sweat.
और the sweat कैसे होता है?
So how the sweat comes, so there are many reasons I told you very nicely.
हर्ष, उत्साह और ऐसे जो शरीर का रोमांचनी खड़ी हो जाती है।
So the hair stands on the body, that is called romancha.
विषाद, विस्मय, क्रोध एवं हर्ष
Visha, Vishmaya, Krodh, Bhay.
वाणी के गदगद उगन बड़े आदि और सर्वभेद पुनीत होता है।
Your heart is choked.
चोखा
Heart, throat, oh sorry, choke the throat. Gad Vani Vacha.
ये कैसे होता है?
Your thought is throat is choked.
विषाद हो जाए, विषाद हो जाए।
So you feel so much sorrow. Your voice is so much hard. Vismay. What is Vishma? Vishma means astonished. Acharya. When you see something, you got ashru. Or
क्रोध
when you see something very. I told you about the anger also,
अपने इच्छा के विरुद्ध में जो
which is something happening without your desire. So that is then the growth happens in your heart.
हर्ष
Harsha.
प्रियजन के देख करके जो
Whenever you see your the dearest person, so that is called Harsha. Harsha.
भय
What is bhai?
भय से वाणी की गदगद होने आदि
After
इससे क्या होता है संदेह होता है।
so yes, bhai, when you feel, you see
क्या होता है चुप हो जाए।
your throat is choked.
जैसे महाप्रभु
Just like Mahaprabhu,
जगन्नाथ शब्द उच्चारण करते
he was not able to pronounce Jagannath. What?
हैं।
He always say ja 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 ga ga ga. He used to say like this because he was so much observed in the bhav that time.
इसमें करें
Here it is saying now.
और हर्ष रोष विषाद
हर्ष,
आदि के
रोष,
द्वारा जो
विषाद।
आंखों से जल निकालता है उसे अश्रु कहते
Eh?
हैं। अनेक दिनों के बाद अपने प्रियजन के देख करके हृदय में
So whenever see you the dearest person, sometimes you feel so much enjoyment. So why the enjoyment? Sometimes tears comes out from the eyes. This is called khushi ke aansu in Hindi, which is called khushi ke aansu, tears of happiness. And somebody, if you lost something, so whenever you get the sorrow, so at that time also the tears comes out from the eyes. So here it is saying,
आनंद के जो आंसू होता है वो शीतल होता है।
so the tears of the joys are cool. Tears of joys are cool, and whereas the tears of anger and so forth are warm.
बल्कि आप देख रहे हैं,
Sometimes you have seen
आपके आंखों के आंसू जो है
the tears of your eyes,
कभी गर्म और कभी
sometimes cool and sometimes warm.
होता है।
Is it happens? Have you realized this?
क्या नहीं करते,
I
इसमें काम करेंगे।
no. I have never paid attention on these. No, sorry, you have never paid attention.
समझना चाहिए
No.
उसके आंसू
So if you are, if you are getting the cool, thanda, cool tears, wherever tears of
आनंद से क्या होता है,
the tears of joys are cool.
आंसू जो है वो ठंडा हो जाता है।
When you are happy, so your tears will come out. That will be cool. Or whereas tears of anger, so these are warms.
क्रोध और हर्ष की गर्म कर देते हैं।
Because whenever we get angry, so our body got so much heat.
मैंने गुस्सा, गुस्से से क्या होता
Whenever you are so much angry, so your body will be heat,
है? आनंद से
and when you are enjoy, you are happy, so your body is so much cool. So according to the body, your tears comes out from the eyes.
याद है।
So always remember this thing.
ये वस्तु कैसे होता है?
Garm,
शीतल हो जाता है, ठंडा।
Anand ki, yes, the tears of joys are very cool, and the tears of angry, it's very warm,
गर्म
very warm.
है। सुख और दुख द्वारा चेष्टा शून्यता, ज्ञान शून्यता, जड़ता एवं भूमि पर गिर जाना आदि के लय व मूर्छा कहते हैं। है? फिर क्या है? जैसे
Just like
अकस्मात
suddenly you have seen someone,
बात
dushta sambat,
दुष्ट
somebody, bad news. Okay, somebody you have, yes. Have you heard sometime when you heard the bad news that somebody died?
जैसे आपकी कोई
Someone the dear, there's a very dear person has,
व्यक्ति
somebody has died. So very dear person, near and dear person had died. So at the time, what happened? So it's really hard to control yourself at that time. You got so much fainted. This is called the murcha. This is murcha.
सुख और सुख द्वारा जिसका शून्यता ज्ञान शून्यता, जड़ता एवं भूमि पर गिर जाना, अंतिम प्रलय है, व मूर्छा का ये समस्त क्रिया आदि
These all the kriyas happens in the body. Ah. I समझ में. You got? You understand? Understand? You understand? I समझ में.
सात्विक भाव सत्व से
So these sattvic bhavs manifest in 5 stages of.
धूमायन, जलित, दीप्त, उद्दीप्त तथा सुदीप्त रूप में प्रकाशित होते हैं।
So these sattvic bhavs manifested in 5 stages of intensity according to the progressive gradation of sattva.
ये हृदय में जो सात्विक भाव आदि उदित हुए,
So whenever the sattvic bhav manifested in the body or in the heart, so there are many kinds of the actions. First we have to understand.
कैसे वैसे पहले क्या था, धूमायन, जलित, दीप्त,
So what is Dhrumayin, Jalita, Deepta, Udipta, Sudipta. There are 5 stages. Dhrumayit.
धूमायन माने
Dhrumayit means smoldering.
धूमायन।
Dhua, the smoke will come out. Yes, that is called Dhrumayit.
इसमें उदाहरण
As I gave you the example, the coil. So when you fire the coil, burns the coil. So there is no. Huh? किससे? Kanda. Cow dung. Whenever you put fire in the cow dung paddy, yes. So there is cow dung paddy is so much popular. So when you dry the cow dung, so it becomes cow paddy. Huh?
कंधा जलता रहता है,
So the cow paddy is burning,
हाथ में जो एक गोबर पड़ा हुआ है,
and the goer who is watching that, or he's laughing that time because he doesn't know that after some time he will be dry and he will be burned. It will be burned like.
कंधा जले,
That's why it is saying kanda jale gobar hase. The kanda, the cow paddy is burning and the cow dung is laughing. Wow, very nice. This is very incredible. Strange that the gobar, when the cow paddy is burning and the cow dung is laughing, because he doesn't know that after 4 or 5 days that cow dung will be dry and it will be burned. This is why it is a proverb. Kanda jale, kanda jale gobar hase. Very nice.
पहले कहते क्या,
That's why I was saying,
सात्विक भाव
when the sattvic bhav, these sattvic bhav manifest in 5 stages of intensity according to the progressive gradation of sattva. So these kinds of kriya happens in the heart.
पहले क्या होता है, धूमायन का
First is Dhrumayit.
धुआं,
Smoke comes out.
तात्पर्य क्या है,
What is the meaning of that?
कंपेयर हम किसके साथ कर रहे हैं,
So we are comparing to
एक अथवा दो जब
when 1 or 2 sattvic bhav are manifested in the body,
तो उसके कहा जाता है,
that is called Dhrumayit.
इनकी सब विस्तृत क्रिया जी सब किसके ऊपर निर्भर करता है,
Because all these kriyas depend on sattvic bhav. There are ashti sattvic vikars, so it's totally up to them.
एक अथवा दो
1 or 2 ashta sattvic vikar, when manifested at the same time in the body,
उसी कहा जाता है,
that is called Dhrumayit.
धूमायन का धुआं जैसे
Dhrumayit means the fog, smoke is coming out. Like I given you the example.
2 से 3 जब होता है, उसके
When 2 or 3 ashta sattvic vikar comes into the body, that is called
2 से जब 3 से जब
Dhruma-
चार उत्पन्न होता है,
that is called
सात्विक भाव के ऊपर निर्भर करता है,
Jwalit.
सात्विक विकार, उसका रोमांच, कंपास, विवरण, इस वक्त कई विवरण है। धुआं जलित होता है,
Dhrumayit, Jalit means when 2, 3 or sattvic vikar comes in the body. Now Deepta, when this Deepta comes, like burning, when 3 to 4, 3 to 4,
3 to 4, अच्छा, ये सब कुछ सात्विक भाव को होता है।
so everything is dependent up to the sattvic vikar. It's not necessary that it will be by the crumb wise or progressive mode.
तथापि यहाँ पर क्रम से वर्णन
So here it is describing, it is going in the progressive nature. Like first is Dhrumayit, smuggling and flaming,
4 से जब 5 होता है,
burning,
तब दीप्त होता है। अशुद्धित्व
And the Sudipt means blazing.
एक ही साथ
When all the 6 or 7 vikas comes into the body at the same time, that is called Udipta, Sudipta. When all the Ashtasattva vikas comes in the body at the same time, that is called Sudipta. That is called Sudipta Mahabhav.
सुदीप्त महाभाव केवल चैतन्य महाप्रभु
This Sudipta Radharani. This all the Sudipta Mahabhav is only seen in the Mahaprabhu and the Radharani at the same time.
कोई साधक के लिए तो
It's not possible for the sadhak.
है दूसरी की बात क्या कहें
Not to talk about,
रावली आदि
even Chandravali and other gopis cannot have this all sattvic vikar at the same time. Only it is possible in Srimati Radhika, Radhaji. We should understand this. It is not possible for sadhak. So when all Ashtasattvic Bhav comes into the body at the same time, that is called Ashtasattvic Bhav. When all the Ashtasattvic Bhav comes into the body, that is called Sudipta Avastha. It is only seen in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Srimati Radhaji. At that time he doesn't know that the love, that the he is not able to know that there is hot or cold. It's really hard to know. At the same time, many kinds of Brahma, Vishwa, Brahma, the coldness comes. If you put all the Brahman's coldness and all the Brahman's hotness together, so at the same time, so all the Brahman's coldness and all the Brahman's hotness comes into the body. That's called, which is beyond our wisdom. That's why it is called the, what is love actually? In somebody's heart, the love is manifested. So he only know, only he can understand. So the activity of divine love, he only knows whose heart has manifested love. Okay. Just like when you go to the sugar cane field, when the elephant destroy all the field of the sugar cane. It will destroy everything there. Sometimes the mad elephant is went to the sugar cane fields. So what he will do? He will destroy all the sugar cane. He by their tongue, by their feet. Because whenever the elephant walks, have you seen the sugar cane fields? Where have you seen? So whenever you go to Brajmandal, we have seen so many sugarcane fields. Or in that field, if a mad elephant enters, so what happened? That will destroy all the fields because he's pagal, he's mad. So whenever he is walking, so all the sugarcane will be destroyed by his feet. Everything will be rubbed. And what elephant do? By his tongues, he was making a way by his trunk, and by the feet he's rubbing all the sugarcane. Everything will be destroyed there. Everything. In the same way, when all the Ashtasattva vikars are manifested in the body, so at that time there is so much hotness and coldness. Very kinds of activities, seems. By this example, we can understand. When Ashtasattva vikar comes in from that, similar like he's just like a madman, he's become mad, and he's become mad. Understand?
तत्वानुसार उत्तरोत्तर माय ज्वलित दीप्त उद्दीप्त और उद्दीप्त रूप में प्रकाशित होते हैं। निष्काम और शुद्ध भक्ति के साधन क्रम से सात्विक भाव हृदय में प्रज्वलित होते हैं, किंतु पवित्र में तथा संसार में अपने कार्य की सिद्धि के लिए बहुत से लोग इस सात्विकता इस भाव का प्रदर्शन करते हैं, वो केवल दिखा मात्र होते हैं, भाव नहीं। कुछ लोग दिखावटी करते हैं।
Some people are pretending these that the wet
उस जो होता है अंतर्निहित होता है, स्तंभ
the stunness,
शरीर क्या हो जाता है,
your body becomes stunned. Your hands and leg just like becomes like a dead body. It's become very tight. The people who have the cheating propensity, who are cheater, they would like to show. They can show the tears of the eyes, as you have seen the cinema artist, the hero heroine. So they put something in the eyes, so the tears comes out from the eyes at that time. Just like, have you seen in the Ramayana when who is with the performing the Sita? Have you seen? She is crying so much. So there are so much tears are coming out from the eyes. So how they are coming, guys? They are putting something in the eyes, so that's why their tears are falling down. So there is just like a chemical when they put a lit on the eyes, so then the tears are coming down from the eyes. So people say, oh, he is so much lovely. All the audience, they started crying, seeing them. But actually, this was a chemical. It was not original. So they are just pretending. They are just doing drama. So who is performing Sitaji's role? She doesn't have any kind of relationship with that. But just for the attracting people, she is she is pretending to be cry. It doesn't mean she has love in her body, so that's why the tears are coming out. So just for the attracting the people, she is doing like that. So the people who are not aware with the scriptures knowledge, so they will think, oh, he is very nice devotee, she is crying, oh my God. When the Bhagavad Katha will go on, when Bhagavad Katha will go on in the Gopi Gita was starting, so they were crying like that, and when the Gopi Gita stops, they stopped crying. This is all useless bullshit.
आंखों से आंसू की गिराने से गिरने से उसके हृदय में प्रेम हो गया।
So if we cannot, somebody is crying and the tears are coming out from the eyes, so we shouldn't think that, oh, he has so much love. Some people doing are by the cheater propensities. They are cheater. That's why it is saying. So some people are just pretending. So this is just for the showing of the people. This is such as demonstrations. When the pure devotions manifested in the heart, so spontaneously it happens in the body. For attracting the people, they are doing like so that they are doing this because so many people can attract it. Oh, he's crying. Oh, he's crying. Bhagavad Katha, they are speaking Bhagavad Katha and crying. Oh, chacha. That's why our Gaur Goswami Maharaj was given an example.
old cat.
Don't become old cat.
Don't become old cat.
Don't become old cat means budi billi.
बिल्ली के भांति मत बनो.
Don't be like budi billi or don't become old cat.
एक proverb.
There's a proverb. Don't become old cat. Let's wait.
Old cat है.
Old budi billi, the old cat. When the cat grows old,
घर में
because
एक बिल्ली
in their house there was a cat. She was so old.
नट से ज्यादा नट से करने का चल.
She was not able to move. So she was just do like meow 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 meow.
घर में तो बहुत चूहा है.
So there are many kinds of rats in the home, but she was not able to catch. She was not able to catch the rat
वो बुरी हो गई.
because she was old.
शिकार करने के लिए एक समझ चली.
So she was not able to hunt that rats.
तो बुरी बिल्ली.
So that the old cat was thinking, how can I get my food? Food.
तो बुरी बिल्ली ने क्या
So that old cat,
एक काम किया.
she was thinking, or she was doing one thing.
सफेद कपड़ा पहने
She put on the white cloth
और नाक पर तिलक लगा.
and put a tilak on the forehead
तुलसी माला लगा.
and put took the neck beads and take the Harinam Jola, and she seated by taking a Bhagavad. She took a Bhagavad and sit down,
और भागवत पाठ शुरू कर दिया.
and she started Bhagavad Path.
ये सब दूर से देखा.
All the rats were saying far away, oh,
एक बिल्ली
this cat,
कैसे
how her life has changed.
है? कुछ चीजें बोली भाई.
Some rats are thinking there is something missing here, there is something black in that pulse. How it can be possible that she's got so much vairagya, a detachment?
बिल्ली कहने लगे.
That cat was thinking, oh, arey, look, oh, rats, look.
मैं पहले शाकाहारी था. क्या था?
Earlier I was vegetarian,
ना शाकाहारी में क्या?
Masahari. I was non-vegetarian.
मैं मांसाहारी था.
Earlier I was non-vegetarian. I used to eat rat and all, but now thinking my life is wasting. I'm just because my life is I'm going to die. So that's why I'm thinking.
जीवन की अंतिम
So at the last time of life,
शाकाहार भोजन.
I would get some vegetarian food only.
आज से मैं
So from today onwards, I have left everything.
क्या छोड़ दिया करने का?
Non-vegetarian, masahar, non-vegetarian. So I have left non-vegetarian,
शाकाहारी.
non-vegetarian
और
food.
भाई जीवन की अंतिम क्या है?
So what I think is that what is
भजन करना.
the purpose of life is performing bhajan. So the purpose of life is performing bhajan,
हो गया.
because life is going to be end. So but I have performed bhajan in sadhana of Bhagwan Hari.
वही का शेष.
My life is going to be end, but I didn't chant the Hari.
जीवन वही का अंत ना वही का कान गोविंद. जीवन का अंत होने वाला.
So the life is going to be finished. Nobody knows when without its body give up the pran. So that's why I didn't. Still I haven't performed bhajan of Govinda. That's why the old cat was saying,
लेकिन मैं आज से जो है
from today onwards, I have left everything. I won't eat anything today. From today onwards,
बिल्कुल आजकल क्या बन गया?
Sattvic.
वैष्णव बन गया.
I have become Vaishnav now. Look at my tilak. Look at my neck beads. Look at my white cloth. Brahmacharini.
सफेद कपड़े के वेश.
So she has put on the white cloth. Very nice, very nice.
देखो मैं चुटकी भी डाली.
So now, oh look, I have the shikha now. Also,
क्या हुए?
the old cat was saying, I have put the tail, the shikha. Now I'm totally Vaishnav. Okay, bhaiya. Okay.
और भी भोजन जैसे मिल जाए.
So whatever I will get.
कभी थोड़ा मिल जाए तो ले लेते.
So if I get something to eat, then I will take. Otherwise, I don't. No problem. If I get any fruits, then okay. Otherwise, ajatak vritti. Ajatak vritti means if somebody is giving, then I am taking. Otherwise, no worry.
भागवत पाठ करते.
Now I will do Bhagavad Path on the daily routine. I will do Bhagavad Katha, Bhagavad Path. So after reading the Bhagavad Path, my body will be. I will give up my body. So at the corner of the room, she was reading Bhagavad Katha. And from the far away, the rat was thinking. They were standing there and looking. What she's doing? What is she doing? Oh, she's starting Bhagavad Path. So first canto, second canto, third canto. So Bhagavad Path was starting by the cat. When she was doing the Bhagavad Path, Bhagavad Katha, she was looking there how far the rat is, because the rat is very clever they are. So how one person can be changed suddenly? There is something strange here. Yesterday she was non-vegetarian, and now she has become the pure vegetarian. How is it possible? What something is missing here? We have to check out. So all the rats were planning, and they were thinking they were watching all these things from far away. So the 2 day passed, 3 day passed, many days was passed on. 7 दिन. So some dogs were thinking maybe another's life will be changed. Maybe it is possible her life has been changed. When the human's life will be changed, nobody knows. When the eyelid blinks, so many life has been changed. So how is it not? How it is? It is possible too that her life is changed. So the rat was thinking in his mind, maybe we have to check what is the reason. Maybe it is possible she got changed. Her life has changed. So now she is starting Bhagavatam. She has become Vaishnav. Still that rat was thinking in his mind, we shouldn't go very near to that cat. We should listen from very far away. All the rats are sitting very far away, and then this cat is doing the Bhagavad part. Janamadasya. All the so she was reciting the shloka and watching the rats, and looking the how far the rats are. So the 1 day passed, 2nd day passed, and the 3rd day passed on. And the little bit rats are thinking, oh, they are getting faith on rats. Oh yes, she's didn't disturb us. She is become a devotee now. So some rats are coming forward to her very near, not. So the cat was starting the lesson, Bhagavad part. So the 4th day passed on, 5th day passed on. Very nicely Katha she was doing. So the rats were coming closer. Gradually they are coming closer to the cat. So they all rats are saying we should listen. Billy, the cats are saying wherever the Bhagavad Katha is going on, we should always sit there. That's why your life will be good. So hearing the Katha, so that rats are coming closer. So after doing all these things, 5 days went on. So when Bhagavad part was going on, at the 4th day Krishna Janma. And the 4th day we used to do Krishna Janma Leela, and the 5th day Govardhan Dharan Leela we used to do. Yes, do we do? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And the 6th day Ras Leela, we start Ras Leela. So in this way, the cat was doing all the Leelas according to the days. So the Janmashtami has done 4th day. So she was doing all the very nice. She was doing so much dancing, kirtan that time, but still that close. The rats were coming closer, but still little bit far. They were making a distance. So when she was doing the part Bhagavad Katha, she was watching all them that maybe they are okay or not. Sometimes So she was thinking that if I try to run away at this time, so all the rat will be go away. So that's why when she was doing the Bhagavad part, she was looking that how far they are. So at the Janmashtami passed on, so they were dance and everything there.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन की धारण लीला वो भी अच्छा है।
So now the fifth day comes, so there is a day of Giriraj Govardhan Dharan Leela, and the sixth day came. Now what Leela will? Ras Leela. Ras Leela will start.
देखो बिल्ली कहने
And the cat was saying,
सारी कथा तो
so you have heard all this katha, I have told you all the katha.
देखो ये रास्ता कथा सबके सुनने के ऊपर ही
So all the listeners cannot, digest the Ras Leela. This is very confidential, very very confidential Ras Leela. This katha is very very confidential.
ये आप लोग सब सुनने के ऊपर
So you all are not capable for hearing this. So that's why she said, huh? Sab batao.
हाँ
Okay, don't come.
लॉकडाउन करते
This is lockdown. This is the lockdown period.
जो अच्छे अच्छे जो है वो
So
आए
who are the good nice rat who have some who are looking good,
कि भाई देखो
because this Ras Leela Katha is very confidential. It's all the person cannot digest that.
अच्छी तरह से
So the cat was explaining very nicely.
आज हम राज का वर्णन करेंगे
So we will describe Ras Leela tomorrow. So the person who don't have adhikars,
उसके बाद वो महादेव जी
so don't come there.
तो गोपियां उसको
Because she was saying because Mahadev tried to enter in the Ras Leela, so the Gopiya kicked him, punch him on the cheeks, and he went away. And Shivji was thinking that I would like to enter in the Ras Leela like a gopis. Maybe I can get the darshan of Ras Leela. So when he was saying like this, and the Purnamasi Devi said, he was asking for the Purnamasi Devi, please have a mercy upon me so that I can enter in the topmost Leela of Shri Krishna. So Purnamasi said it's not possible for you because Shivji when again was repeating the prayer the same. So at that time Purnamasi Purnamasi have mercy upon them, and he drove him into the Brahmakund. She drove into the Brahmakund, and when he came out, he became a beautiful gopi that time. So, because for entering into the Ras Leela, they must need the gopi body. Everybody needs a gopi body. Without the gopi body, one cannot enter into the Ras Leela. That's why Purnamasi Devi Yogamaya drawn into the Brahmakund, and Shivji become a beautiful gopi now.
और पूर्णवासी को देखो ये रास्ता
Purnamasi is saying, oh, this is the Rasasthali, so you should stay here. कौन सा कुंड? Shishank Kund? Ishan Kund, yes, Ishan Kund. So the Purnamasi saying that you should Ishan Kund. Shivji was sitting there, very nice, because he got the gopi body, so he was sitting there. So he was hiding himself and sitting one place. So Krishna played the flute and all the gopis gathered, come. Now Krishna is starting the Ras Leela. All the gopi presented there. So now, what is Ras? Was the Nritya Kirtan, the dancing in the Kirtan of the glories of Krishna. That is the Ras. So all the gopis enter into the Ras Leela at that time. So Krishna. So before the playing flute, the Krishna is saying, today I am not getting so much enjoyment in this Ras Leela. Maybe someone Vijati is coming here. So the gopi said, what happened to you? All are, maybe you haven't feed your mother, haven't feed you well because you are feeling so much weakness today. Why are you saying like this? Have you eat something or not? You should eat. What happened? Okay, no problem. After Ras we will feed you something. We have bring something for you. We are not empty-handed here. We bring so much for you. Don't worry. Just start Ras. When the Ras will be end up, when the dance will be end up, we will feed you very nicely. Don't worry. We have so much food stuff. So the gopis were saying, oh, please play the flute. Then Kanhaiya said, oh Gopi, today my mind is sad today. Why? What happened to you? Why you are sad? What happened to you? Why your mind is sad? Why are you not feeling so much joy? Is some you argument? Have you fight with someone? That's why you are feeling so much. So it was not happen like this, but I'm telling you, I'm sometimes bad happen into the house, so our mind upset. Sometimes you go to the office and you have fight with your wife, and you are going into the office, so you are so sad there. So the gopis are saying, "Oh Kanhaiya, tell me what happened with you. Are do the work, play the flute very quickly so that we can start dance." So the thousands gopis were there. They were just waiting for the flute. When they will when the Krishna will start to play the flute, and all they will start dancing. Nitya Gita Vacho. So Kanhaiya said, "Oh Gopiyon, what should I do? My mind is sad too much today. I am not feeling well today." Are, what has happened? What, your mind is not good? Lalita and other Sakhis was saying, "Hey Kanhaiya, what happened to you? Are your feet is paining?" Hare Kanhaiya, don't do like this. Kanhaiya said, "Gopiyo, what to tell you in this Vanshi, but someone Vijatiya is here. That's why I'm not getting so much joy in my heart." Gopi is saying, "Oh Kanhaiya, what are you saying? We are all the same gopis. It's not the one day ras. Every day we used to do ras, Nitya ras. This is called the Nitya ras. This is Nitya. We always, every day we used to come." So Kanhaiya said, no, someone Vijati is here. Something from not the gopis here." All the gopis was looking each other and said, "Okay, find out who is the Vijati. We are all the same. We are same. Lalita, Vishaka, Chandravali, Bhadra, Padma. All are here. Sulpa, Samla, Pali, Wali, sab, all are same. There is no one new. No one is new here. Everybody is same." Oh Kanhaiya, so everybody can know. Chandravali? Maybe Chandravali. And the Ras, who will go? The Kanhaiya will call. Who will invite it by the Krishna? Who will hear the fruit only? Without the invitation, no one will be there. When Krishna started playing flute, the sound of flutes will enter into the ears of the gopis. So the gopis who were working there, they left everything and they came to the Krishna, because all gopis are thinking Krishna is only calling to me. There is a one tune only, but still that the tune of the Vanshi, the clean tune, everybody's, they are thinking that Krishna is calling me only. They are thinking only calling me. Jaho. Oh, mridang baja. Oh, Lil. Chamaki uthi. Very nice kirtan, very nice kirtan. Radha, Lalita's, all Sakhis are names there. The gopis are saying, "Hey Kanhaiya, tell us whom you will invite. They come. Without invitation, who can come here?" So Kanhaiya said, no, please find out. Somebody is Vijati here." Gopi said they were going to search out everywhere. So what they saw in the Ishan Kund, there is a gopi sitting there, folding his head. The gopi said, "Hey, where are you coming from? Who is your husband?" Nobody knows. She was not replying. Deaf. Very. Are you deaf? Are you deaf? You are not listening? Yeah, stand up. Gopiyas are very, they are very strict. Where are you coming from? From which village you are coming? And Shivji was thinking, Are, where village? I don't know, yaar. From because who is your husband? Where did he got born? He was not able to tell this. Please tell. In which village you got married? Okay, please tell us your name. Tell us your name. Tell us your name. She was not telling to her name. And please tell your husband name. She was not replying. Gopiya thinking, oh, Kanhaiya was saying so very right. They caught the hair of that Gopi Shivji, and they were punching on the cheeks, because and this Mahadev was started crying because he was not he was all the gopis started punching on the cheeks of Mahadev, and the Mahadev was started crying. So he was calling, Yogmaya, please help me. Yogmaya appeared here. Oh, Gopi, oh, ruko, stop. Are, Kanhaiya, listen. He is the param devotee of yours, Mahadev. Jai Jai Mahadev ki Jai. Purnima, she told all the story. Mahadev, this is the desire of Mahadev, that he wanted to take the darshan of your Ras Leela. That's why I drawn him into the Brahmakund. I gave him the Gopi body, but he was not aware of all these things like Nam Roop, what was his name, where he belongs. So I didn't tell him anything. The Kanhaiya said, oh, Devadide Mahadev, you are my friend too, and you are my great devotee. I have so many relationship with you. You are my servant, you are my friend, you are so much dear to me. Gopishwar. Okay, from today onwards everyone will think you like the Gopishwar. So you should stay from the 50 meters away from it. You will stay here, sit here. So you have to check, you have to give in the permission like a security guard to everybody who is entering the Ras. Without your permission, no one can enter into the Ras Leela. So whoever Gopi comes, they have to take your permission. That's why Mahadev was sitting there. So that's why he is famous in Vrindavan, the Gopishwar name. Until he want mercy, if he is not allow anybody, he won't come. Anybody cannot come into the Ras without his permission. Just like the security guard, he is standing out. So they always ask for the ID and anything so that they can, give you the permission so I can enter. So in that same way, Mahadev is standing there. The Katha was I was telling. The time is going to over. Billi wali. So Bhagavatam 6th day, the Ras Leela was going to start. So what that kite was doing, she was telling the Ras Katha to everybody very nicely. And she was saying to everybody, oh, come closer, because very confidential subject. I will tell you very, very in a deep, low sound. Please come closer. Come closer. Who would like to hear the Katha? So who will listen to the Katha? Who are the very nice, who are very beautiful body, who have so much, so much big body. No one can hear the Ras Leela. They were not the old age gopis were. They cannot enter into the Ras. Only young gopi can enter into the Ras. The young gopis who are very beautiful on the tender age, teenagers only can enter into the Ras Leela. Youthfulness. There's a word on Aguna Paguna. So very beautiful. Oh, nobody. The gopis were 9 to 10 years or 10.5 years old. From toe to hair, everything must be beautiful. They must have so much beautiful ornaments. It's not like that anybody can go. Just they raise your hand and enter into the Ras Leela like Putana. They must be beautiful. That's why the old cat was indicating, hey rats, you are very good, you come. So they have decided that no, you are not good, you don't come. So because you have old rat, now you don't have the right to enter into Ras. Go. So the rats are very good. So they have selected that you have to come. You have to come, and you have to come very closer to me. Just like no, not too far, right? Because this Ras Leela Katha is very confidential. Brahma, Shiva, and other devatas, Adi, you are so much thirsty to listen this Katha. Wow, Hari Bol, Jai Ras Leela ki. This is the Ras Leela Katha. So the old gopis who are not looking good, who are the one-eyed, who has one-eyed, and somebody's eyes are molding, folding, somebody's are churning eyes. They just need the very beautiful eyes, like. So the rats who was thinking that I am everybody's gone out. I am the very nice person because. So what will do? The old cat is thinking, oh, she started the katha, and she was reciting shloka, looking to the rats. So when they will sit up before me, I can caught up them. So, listen the Ras Leela Katha. Everybody, very have to very close your eyes and meditate. Close your eyes and meditate. Willie is very clever. The cat is very clever. She is saying that Ras Leela we should listen. Close our eyes. We should always close our eyes and meditate. Then you should listen Ras Leela. Otherwise, your mind will go here and there. Your mind will be disturbed. Why will they say? Because so if I raise up my hand, so maybe they can see and then went away. That's why everybody has to listen Hari Katha. Very close your eyes and meditate on and meditate. Maharaj, everybody has to say like Gajab Guru Gajab. Gajab Guru Gajab. Ati Sundara. So the cat, all the rats close their eyes. They close their eyes. And so saying, oh Maharaj, very nice, beautiful katha. Krishna nache. Oh, play mridanga. Bolo Radha nache. Everybody say, oh, very nice, very nice, very nice. We are very fortunate that we are listening this katha. And so the rats are thinking we shouldn't take so much time. Maybe she can eat us. Billy, the cat thought, oh, now they are all absorbed in the Ras Leela. Now I'll play myself. Now they are observed their mind the Radha Natha Krishna. Now I'll start my dance. I will show my dance to them. Then the cat comes. Then we all dance together. Okay, all the rats are okay. Yes, we will dance together today. So do you know how Krishna was dancing? He was dancing very fastly. So one by one. So we are distributing our love each other. We are not eating you. I am not eating you. This is a love distribution. So one by one she is catching one rat because they all are observed in the Ras Leela. She was catching one by rats. So other all got fainted by my touch. So by doing all these things, she has eaten all the rats. and kill them. Oh, she has killed all the rats. She will eat later. Bola Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Shri Radhe. So this is a story told by the Gaur Govind Goswami Maharaj. Don't become old cat. So some people pretend like this. Why the cheating propensity? They pretending like to be very nice kathakar. So the tears comes out from their eyes. So just by the attracting to the pupils, ruled upon them. They are asking so many monies. He is Uttam Mahabhagavad. So they used to do so many bad works, bad activities. We don't know. There is no need to describe all these things because they do very nonsense activity, stupid nonsense activities. First they would like to get the La Puja prestige and the money. After that they destroy their dignity. They destroy their dignity. They destroy. That's why our Gurudev is saying we should be very careful. We should be away from all these kinds of people. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Shri Radhe. Perfect. Krishna haite chaturmukha Krishna sevan mukha Brahma haite Narade ramati Narada haite. Okay, listeners, thank you for tolerating me. Very thank you for your patience. Do one thing, and now you can come on the Hindi page. Okay, Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Gurudev.